Yes, we do hear you. Many of you have reached out asking how to download your certificate from Internshala. So in this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading your internship certificate and course completion certificate. So let's quickly take a look at what you will be learning in this video. Why certificates are important, how to download your internship certificate from Internshala platform, and how can you download your course certificate from Internshala platform. Now you might be thinking why these certificates are so important when you have already completed your internship or course. So let me tell you why. Did you know that 80% of recruiters believe that certification improve your chances of getting hired at a job? Certificates are important for showcasing your skills and achievements. They provide proof of your skills and expertise. These certificates improve your credibility and give you an edge over other candidates. Let's talk about how to download your internship certificate from Internshala. If you have been selected for an internship with a company through Internshala, you can also download an internship selection certificate from our platform. Yes, that's true. Let me share the process with you. First, log in to your Internshala account. Once you are in, click on the applications option. There you will see a list of internships you have applied to. Find the internship for which you want to download the certificate. Next to it, you will see an option to view certificate. Click on this option and you will be able to download your internship selection certificate. Did you know that Internshala certifications are recognized by over 180,000 companies? Yes, there are more certificates that you can get from Internshala. If you do certification courses from Internshala, you not only get an Internshala certified certificate, but also get an NSDC and Skill India certificate. In some courses, you can also get IIT Madras Pravartak certificates. To know more about these certificates and how you can download them from Internshala platform, watch the video till the end. Internshala offers two types of certification courses, short-term courses and placement guarantee courses. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can download the certificates for the short-term training courses. There are more than 75 courses. The broad categories of the courses you can see on the screen. You can easily finish these courses in 6 to 8 weeks and can learn a new skill. If you already taken and completed the course, now let us understand the process of downloading the certificate from the Internshala dashboard. First, make sure you have finished all your assignments and passed the final exam to download your Internshala certificate. Start by logging into your Internshala account with your registered email ID. On the home page, you will see a dashboard option. Click on it to open your Internshala dashboard. Here you will see the courses you have enrolled in. Select the course you want to download the certificate for by clicking on Go to Training. When you open the training, you will see two options, Go to Training and Get a Certificate. Click on Get Certificate to proceed. Next, you will be asked to fill out a quick feedback form. Please take a moment to complete it and let us know how you like the course and any area where we can improve. After submitting the feedback form, you will see the certificate details section. Here you can review and edit your information like title, first name, last name and name of the college. You can even choose to include or exclude your college name from the certificate. Just make sure to double check all the details as these will be permanently printed on your certificate and cannot be changed later. Now you just need to click on Save My Details and your certificate is ready to download. And here is another good news. You can also share your certificate across LinkedIn, X, Facebook and WhatsApp. You can let your peers know about the achievement that you have gained with Internshala. Also, here is another bonus for everyone who completes the Internshala course. With the Internshala training certificate, you also get an NSDC and Skill India certificate. To get this certificate, you need to fill out a form at the beginning of the course with your title, first name, last name and the father's name. Once you have successfully completed the course, your certificate will appear on your dashboard within 24 hours. Apart from these certificates, you can also get IIT Madras Pravartak certificate through Internshala. Yes, the courses mentioned on the screen, for those Internshala provides a prestigious joint certification verified and endorsed by IIT Madras Pravartak. Now let's also understand the process of downloading these certificates after you have completed any of these courses. The process of downloading these certificates mostly remains the same. First, log in to your Internshala account and go to your dashboard. There select the course for which you want to download the certificate. Click on go to training and then select get a certificate. Next, you will also ask to submit the feedback for the course. After submitting your feedback, you will need to review your credential such as title, name and the college name. Once you submit these details, you will receive your IIT Madras Pravartak certificate. Now that you know how to download the Internshala certificate, NSDC Skill India certificate and IIT Madras Pravartak certificate, let's talk about a few more certification you can earn. On the screen, you can see the Google Ads Cert certificate, which you can download for free. You can enroll in your digital marketing course, which will prepare you to take the Google Ads Cert certification exam at zero cost. तो था ना एकदम आसान? With that, we come to the end of the video. I hope you were able to understand the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please leave a comment below. Happy learning and see you in the next video. All the best.